Dear Ame do Sasuji, it's a very difficult to just say words happy birthday when we are not happy. The whole world is watching how our beloved country that you love so much is becoming so quickly a failed state under this military junta. This is the situation that no one want to see. I know this is not the situation that you don't want to see. This is the catastrophe of human suffering that no one want to see happen among our people in our beloved country. I know that you must be feeling the pain and the suffering inside of your heart. I cannot find the words to just express how sad I am and how I feel about it's your birthday that we are celebrating without you. We are celebrating your birthday when you are in camp in equiminal condition. I cannot imagine what we have been through. I cannot think about the pain and the suffering, that the agony that you must be feeling right now. I just sent my prayer and my love to you, and I believe this is the prayer and the love for millions and millions of people around the world who is joining me in this prayer for you. And for the people of Myanmar who have suffered so much for so long under this terrible military dictatorship. And may Daw Sasuji, I hope and pray sincerely from the bottom of my heart that we will see you next year and celebrate your birthday next year, one as a happy, democratic, and free Myanmar. This year, I'm sorry that your birthday has been pushed into this chaos. I promise that I will do everything in my power and capacity to make sure that you are free from this terrible regime, that you and our president, Uwimint, and other 6,000 plus people who have been illegally detained by this illegal military junta. I know that they have charged you against you and say all sort of things about you by this military junta. The whole world knows that this trial against you, this case that's against you, is a trial of show. It has nothing to do with justice, or it has nothing to do with rule of law. You know, they talk about elections, the 2020, which was a free and fair, but all the charge against you is nothing to do with elections. It has everything to do with prolonging of military junta in our beloved country. Dear Amanda Osasuchi, I promise you will not let the prolonging of reign of terror continue in our country. You will not let that reign on us continue into our generation, the generations of our children, our grandchildren. And the whole world knows that it's This case against you and our presidents and millions of people of Myanmar is premeditated, and fraud charges. We denounce these charges of frauds in stronger terms, and we again demand to the military junta that they release you unconditionally, immediately. This is banning you so that you cannot stand for freedom and democracy. It's destructions of democracy and freedom. And they want to call a phony elections under the watch of the darknesses and the suffering of the people of Myanmar that have imposed on us by this murder regime. It will not let it happen. And we call on to international community and around the world who cares about democracy, who cares about freedom, who cares about justice, to come together and do everything they can in their power so that you are free as soon as possible under the hand of these evils. Dear Ame the Osasuchi, our heart is broken for you and for our people in the country. Once again, which is today I know that brave men and women across our country raised their hand and put the flower in their hand to show their solidarity with you and millions of people of Myanmar. I want to do the same. I want to show my solidarity with you, with our president, and with our brave people. I want to say, you celebrate your next year birthday in a free and justice and democratic society of Myanmar. May God bless you. May the angels of the Lord watch over you. Thank you for everything you have done for us. Thank you for every sacrifice that you have given for the people of Myanmar. We celebrate your sacrifice. We celebrate your love that you have for us, for our people. We celebrate your struggle for democracy. We celebrate the love that you have for our people and the country. Once again, dear Ame Sasuji, may God bless you. May God be with you. May the holy angels keep you watch and surround you. Thank you.